Many times, when we want to scan a QR code with our cell phone, we end up using external apps that are usually not secure or are sometimes full of publicity, or even some that require you to pay to use them. Today, I'm going to show you 2 ways in which you can scan QR codes from your cell phone without having to download any apps. The first option is to open your phone's camera, since the camera of many phones will automatically recognize the QR code and scan it to take you to the link it wants to take you to. Another option is to go up here and slide down to see the options on your phone. And if you go to the side, you can see here that it has a QR code reader built in to the phone. If you open it, a camera will open to scan the QR you need, and that's it. So now you don't need to download any other apps when you want to scan a QR code. If the video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you on the next time!